Hey everyone! Welcome to the Digital Millionaire Club. Today, we are breaking down how to turn your blog into a money-making machine. How to earn money through blogging, a step-by-step guide. Blogging has transformed from a mere hobby to a lucrative career for many. If you're passionate about writing, sharing your knowledge, or connecting with like-minded individuals, blogging can be a rewarding way to earn money. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to turn your blog into a money-making machine. 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step to making money through blogging is selecting a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to be profitable. Popular niches include personal finance, tips on saving money, investing, and budgeting. Health and fitness, workouts, nutrition advice, and wellness tips. Food and recipes, cooking tips, recipes, and restaurant reviews. Lifestyle, travel, fashion, beauty, and home decor. Tech and gadgets, reviews, tutorials, and the latest trends. Research your chosen niche to ensure there is enough interest and that it aligns with what you're passionate about. 2. Set up your blog. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. Here's how. Choose a domain name. Your domain name should reflect your niche and be easy to remember. Platforms like Namecheap or GoDaddy offer affordable options. Select a blogging platform. WordPress is a popular choice due to its flexibility and extensive customization options. Other platforms like Wix or Squarespace can also be considered. Pick a web hosting service. Reliable web hosting is crucial. Companies like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator are popular choices for beginner bloggers. Design your blog. Choose a clean, user-friendly theme that aligns with your niche. Your blog's design should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. 3. Create high-quality content. Content is the heart of your blog. To attract and retain readers, you need to produce high-quality, valuable content. Here's how to do it. Know your audience, understand who your readers are and what they want. This will help you tailor your content to their needs. Be consistent, regularly update your blog with fresh content. Consistency builds trust and keeps readers coming back. Focus on SEO. Optimize your blog posts for search engines by using relevant keywords, writing compelling meta descriptions, and ensuring your content is easy to read. Incorporate visuals, use images, infographics, and videos to make your content more engaging. 4. Monetize your blog. Now that your blog is up and running with quality content, it's time to start earning money. Here are some effective ways to monetize your blog. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate are popular programs. Display ads. Sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense, MediaWine, or Egoic to display ads on your blog. You earn money based on the number of impressions or clicks the ads receive. Sponsored posts. Brands may pay you to write about their products or services. As your blog grows, you can reach out to companies or use platforms like IZEA or Aspire IQ to find sponsorship opportunities. Sell digital products. Create and sell your own ebooks, online courses, or printable. This is a great way to leverage your expertise and provide value to your audience. Offer services. Depending on your niche, you can offer services like coaching, consulting, or freelance writing to your readers. 5. Promote your blog. Monetizing your blog requires traffic, and to get traffic, you need to promote your blog. Here are some strategies to help you reach a wider audience. Social media marketing. Share your blog posts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Engage with your audience and join relevant groups or communities. Email marketing. Build an email list to keep in touch with your readers. Offer a freebie, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for their email address. Use platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your email campaigns. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche. This helps you build backlinks, improve your SEO, and drive traffic to your blog. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your blog. This can be through shoutouts, collaborations, or joint ventures. 6. Track your progress and optimize. As your blog grows, it's important to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic, understand your audience, and identify what's working. Based on your findings, optimize your content, improve your monetization strategies, and continue to refine your promotional efforts. 7. Be patient and persistent. Earning money through blogging doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and patience. Stay committed to producing quality content, promoting your blog, and engaging with your audience. With persistence, your blog will grow, and the income will follow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these blogging tips, hit that like button and subscribe to the Digital Millionaire Club. See you in the next video.